I'm Leonarda, I'm your personal stylist. I'm here today to show you how can I do 3 outfits using one piece of clothing. And the one I'm using today is the leather trousers. I choose this piece because it slims you down, it's black, and it's no ways a pair of jeans, even if I love jeans so much, but you can use anything you like. So I explain what I'm having today. I put, like I said, the leather trousers with the normal cotton, polyester, white top, and trainers. And so another thing I want to say is I don't wear flat, only when I do go to the gym, because being so petite, but you can use flat ballet shoes or trainers, anything you like. So this is the first one, but I would like it to change it to something a bit more smarter, and it can be a day look as well. So I will try something different and you see what do you think. So I'm going to wear a duster coat. I choose this piece because me personally, being a petite, I do love long coat, and the reason is that elongate me, it makes me look even taller. So you can see, because it's longer, I feel much taller. So, and you can see the detail, it's got the black trim all around, so the grey lights up there, the black, the still gets all together. But for me this is not good enough, just you can't wear it like that, but I like it to make it a little bit more special. So I'm adding a snakeskin belt, quite wide belt, so you can see. See, that adds a bit of glamour on it, but I will do head down, and I will add hat. Daytime, and you can even go in the evening out like this. But for me this is more a daytime because I'm wearing a hat. You can wear a clutch bag, a bag, anything like that. So that is it. That is the day look. So for the final evening look, I decided to put a mesh bodysuit and a black stiletto. So it makes it very elegant and sexy at the same time. But of course I would wear a blazer, so I decided to put this blazer. But you could wear really any color blazer, it can be all black, you can wear white, any color, brown, any color you like really. So that is it. And I would wear a clutch bag, so that will just finish it up. That is it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description down below. So if you want to ask any question, please write it down below. And I'll see you very soon for my next video. Ciao, a presto, un bacio a tutti. Ciao.